You guys are nuts.
The only thing is it's going to lean one way now. Face, you know what I mean?
It probably won't notice too much. It is off center, but I'm sure the flight controller will make up for it. Right. It looks kind of funny.
We'll try it out.
Aw, crap. There went my ND filter.
What the hell happened? How did that go?
I hit the playground equipment.
Oh,
yeah, but look at that water. If you go in there.
I'm not going there.
All the way across town, you've been searching for that someone that is beyond the crowd. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself, well, don't get lonely now. And try your white eyes. I'm just moving for the moment, sneezing my back up to target. So uptight you've been thinking about ditching me. No time that sets the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around.
What happened, you guys? We showed up to this spot. Dan, show them where we used to fly. We came here before, flew over that area.
Nobody there.
No one there. But the thing is, this spot over here to where we were, as if you watch the video, you know, usually it's packed. Kind of like you're seeing right now. I mean, this is light people, but...
It's usually a party or two hanging out underneath one of those shelters.
Oh, exactly. There was literally one car. As we get there, I think that one car left.
Yeah, you said hi to those people. They got in their car and they left.
Started getting our stuff ready, ran back to the car to get the chargers because we found electric. And all of a sudden, two cars pull up. Another car pull up. More people come. And as we're flying, you hear people walking behind us now.
Now there's a whole volleyball game, kids on the playground, people walking by, hanging out where we were, over in the gazebo. And then it starts to rain. So,
Exactly.
all right, calling it quits on that spot. We're gonna go see if we can find another one. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Jane says, I'm done with Sergio. You treat me like a rag doll. She hides television. Said I don't know him nothing about it. Or he come back again. Tell him tomorrow. I'm gonna kick tomorrow. I'm gonna kick tomorrow. Jane says, have you seen my wig around? Hope you're naked without it.
I'm looking through this little camera on the front of it like I'm a pilot in an airplane. I'm just this little guy flying this thing around so I can see exactly where it is.
Man, I don't know how you stay orientated.
Jane says I'm going away to Spain when I get my money saved. Gonna start tomorrow. I'm gonna kick tomorrow. I'm gonna kick tomorrow.
No, he doesn't know where that thing's at.
He knows exactly where it's at because he's looking out of the front of that drone, watching exactly where it's going. We usually bring 5 or 6 batteries out with us. They last a few minutes apiece. Cuts the power and
Anna,
lands.
Can you behave like that? This sort of thing is to be controlled.
There are rules and regulations on
I
where
mean,
and when and how.
if I was the young man that I was when I was about 21, 22, and I had one of these things, I would be doing some really, really nasty things.
What else to do about it? Jane goes to the store at 8. She walks up on St. Andrews. She waits and gets her dinner there. She pulls her dinner from her pocket.
One of you must have been driving the thing while you were driving in the goddamn car.
Yeah, he was driving the car and then I was flying from the passenger seat.
Oh, jeez, you guys are nuts.
Wants her. I wanna live they want me. I only know they want me.
I wish I'd have had this on film. No one's going to believe me.
There's,
I can't even believe what I just saw. Between them goddamn trees.
yep, upside down, flipping loops all over the place. It's a very fun hobby. Well, we got to get going before the sun sets, get some more flights in.
See you later.
Good to meet you. See you later.
Dude, fucking glow right now.
Yeah, the green.
No, I mean the sun right now. That the freaking glow in the sun.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
it is. Perfect time to fly.
Exactly.
When you make love, do you look in the mirror? Who do you think of? And does he look like me? Do you tell lies
I could try to follow you from here over to the train, to the tracks and back a little. Oh, that's your little green thing.
So it was like 399 feet up there.
I didn't look.
All right, hold on. All right, arm, launch it now.
I was like just watching where you were. I didn't pay attention to the train tracks. Well, there went a prop. Get a nice recording of the beautiful sunset.
You love that? Did you tell yours when yours a little too, or does it beep at you or anything?
I think it beeps. I don't usually let my battery get low, so I have no idea.
Transmitter battery low.
Transmitter battery low. I guess that's the sign that we are done and our batteries are done and the sun's gone. It's time to go home.